This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Park the vehicle on level ground and set the emergency brake. Start the engine and allow it to reach normal operating temperature. Turn off the engine. Raise the front of the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Being careful not to touch the hot engine and exhaust components, place a drain pan under the oil drain plug and remove the plug. Wearing protective gloves is highly recommended. Allow the old oil to drain into the pan. Remove the filler cap from the valve cover to allow the oil to flow more easily. After the oil is drained, wipe off the drain plug with a clean rag, then clean the area around the drain plug opening. Reinstall the drain plug and tighten it to 25 foot-pounds. Move the drain pan under the oil filter. Loosen the oil filter by turning it counterclockwise with an oil filter wrench. Once the filter is loose, use your hands to unscrew it from the block. With a clean rag, wipe the filter mounting surface on the block and make sure there is no old gasket material remaining on the block. Smear some clean engine oil on the rubber gasket of the new filter. Install the new filter, then tighten it securely by hand. Safely lower the vehicle. Add new engine oil through the oil filler cap. Use a funnel if necessary to prevent spillage. Pour 4 quarts of fresh oil into the engine. Install the filler cap. Wait a few minutes, then check the level on the oil dipstick. Once the oil is filled up to the H mark on the dipstick, reinstall the dipstick. Start the engine and allow the new oil to circulate. Run the engine for about a minute. Then turn the engine off and wait a few more minutes to allow the oil to trickle to the bottom of the engine oil pan. Recheck the level on the dipstick and, if necessary, add enough oil to bring the level to the H mark. Run the engine and check for leaks.